Welcome to the Capstone 5 location, the Chesapeake Bay. The threat that is due to an increase in ocean temperatures coupled with an accelerated relative sea level rise, the Chesapeake Bay area has a high risk of larger and more frequent storms. The warmer the oceans are later into the winter season, the imbalance of air and water temperatures results in a very powerful hurricane and nor'eastern season. The Chesapeake Bay and other ecosystems alike along the east coast of the United States are vulnerable to such storms mainly due to the geographic approximation to the Arctic melting ice caps. By the force of the melting ice caps' static equilibrium, as the ice melts, it loses mass, allowing for the Earth's crust to adjust to the lighter surface area, and the relative sea level rise increases at a slower rate than the areas such as the Chesapeake, which are now relatively heavier, drawing a higher RSL. The extraction of groundwater can also have an effect on the surface losing elevation. This has had recent environmental changes associated with tidal flooding. As seen as minor there are as seen minor flooding events, but the RSL continues to increase, there will be much larger problems soon to come. Local coastal communities will see a large amount of erosion in years to come. As the Gulf Stream weakens, warmer waters are lingering along the coast, taking sediments along with its path.